Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this number 7 Matchbox Lesney Ford Anglia. You also may know it as the Harry Potter car. Yes, this is the car that Harry Potter used in the movie. This variation, as you can see, has silver wheels, not to be confused with gray. Silver. We could also see that it used to have some red taillights. We have some blue tinted windows. Front grille is painted gray. There is the bottom. And of course, as a side note, Hot Wheels made a Anglia a while back. It's not a very common model. As a matter of fact, they fetch a pretty penny on eBay. I think there's only either 2 or 3 variation. This one was the main line. I don't know, you guys tell me, because I really don't remember. But as you guys know, next step is gonna be drill that post. There's only one, so let's drill it and continue with the video. Alright guys, there you have it. Something very simple. There's nothing inside except for the windshield here, which is ID Ford Anglia, so the people in the factory didn't get confused. So let's tap this and put it in a paint remover. And I have to remove the wheels here to be able to put this in the paint remover also. So I'll be back. Guys, check it out. So I used the Dremel with this attachment to eat away at the side of the axle that's smaller, but it was still kind of tough because look, it's almost like these it's almost like the axle is too thick for the wheels. Yeah, they almost don't want to turn. So I was able to get one side out. Now it's going to be a lot easier to do it like this to be able to take it out. There you go. All right, so now off to paint remover. All right, guys, car is out of the paint remover. Left it in, I think I put it in yesterday. Got pretty much everything out except for a little spot here in the front grille, but I should come off with this brass brush. If it doesn't, I'll use the Dremel. There you go. Yep. Got it. So I'm going to continue to clean this, and I'm going to paint this black, and I'm going to hit this with a light coat of flat white, and I'll be back. Guys, check it out. Of course, I use the special Dremel adapter. A lot of people have said that Amazon ran out, so check the links in the video description. I'll try to find you a new link for that. And of course, like I said before, I use rubbing compound. With this, keep moving, don't stay in one place. And then I dip it in this Pledge floor gloss. Just make sure you don't have any bubbles. If you do, just try to blow them out and then just place it on top of a napkin and cover it up, because it does take a while to dry up. But look at the result. Beautiful. Basically cleaned the tires, and I also dipped them in the floor shine. They'll be drying now for like 10 hours, so it should be good to go. And the start of the show, check it out. I think it came out pretty good. Right now, it's a good time for you to subscribe and hit that like button. You'll be amazed on how I got this paint. Check it out. Krylon Matte Aqua. I feel like Krylon should be sponsoring this channel, because that's the only paint basically that I use. I use others, but I use a lot of Krylon. I had to paint this 3 times, not because of the paint, but it's because it's 20 degrees outside, and the paint kept messing up until I got it now. So it looks pretty good. Here's the base. There's no primer on this, it's just straight flat black paint, and then I hit it with a coat of glossy clear coat. So let me put this together, and once it's together, I'll paint in the details here, because if I do it now, I can't put it together because it takes a while for the paint to dry. So I'd rather have the whole thing up together, and once I do that, then I'll do the detail. All right, so I'll be back. So if you remember from the beginning, that the wheels they're kind of tight in the axle. They really don't want to turn. So what I did was put the whole thing in the Dremel. You can see it's a lot better now. Let me show you here. So I got 220 sandpaper here for the little mushroom. Get all that old rust off, and then do the main axle here. And then I use this file and speed it up a little bit. And then I do the other side. And when I take it out, you know, I try out a wheel, make sure that it fits. So now we could put this back together. Well, guys, here is the finished product. The Matchbox Ford Anglia. A lot of people might recognize it, again, from the Harry Potter movie. So that's going to be it for today, guys. As you can see, I did all the details. And I have to do that with the magnifying glass, because I'm getting old. And that's going to be it for today, guys. So I hope you liked the video. And I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace.